Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Welcome back to the latest update of the WAXP coin. What's going on in the WAXP coin? What's the price of WAXP coin? Let me show you the all update of the WAXP. But before starting this video, please click the subscribe button right now for more news and updates videos about the WAXP coin. The currently changes occur in the WAXP coin in the market is completely going complicated, and I think that's good news for all of you. Don't worry. Unfortunately, yesterday changes of the WAXP coin is going wrong, but it's not mean that you lose hope. Don't lose hope, guys. Just patience, just wait. Now, guys, the latest update of the WAXP coin, WAXP coin in the market is 0.355348 USD dollar. That is the currently price of the WAXP coin. And furthermore, guys, if you talk about the price changes, so now the last 1 hour changes in the market is positive 0.07%. Last 1 day changes is going wrong. I already told you about that unfortunately the yesterday changes occur in the WAXP coin is negative, but don't lose hope. Everything will be positive. Last 1 week changes is positive 3.25% positive already. Let me show you the price chart of the WAXP coin. Oh my god, just look here on the 20 August, the price taken a quick jump going straight. I believe that they are going to the moon, guys, but now you can see if you look the latest situation, so they are going straight. I mean, they are going neutral, not dumps, not pumps. But you know what, possibilities and the future that in September, like they jump once more WAXP coin will pump, but get ready. And guys, never decide to sell WAXP coin because the price of WAXP coin is very low, 0.354512 USD dollar. Don't lose, just hold to the last of 2021. Hope guys that it's the last of 2K21 that will give you a huge profit. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos.